Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about MarsCrater.com. So if you go to MarsCrater.com, you can learn more about MarsCrater itself. So Crater is a token launched on Binance Smart Chain to bring a community together on the mission to Mars. Together we will build good things and fuel the rocket. So if you guys are into things like Dogecoin or any of these like I guess Moonshot and I forget some of the other ones, SafeMoon. There's a bunch of different kind of moon based tokens, and you always want to get there obviously early enough before all these other buyers are in. Well, I'll say MarsCrater, you are still early. I do also want to say, guys, this is a sponsored video, so make sure to always do your own research before investing, as some coins are better than others, but we are going to be talking about MarsCrater because it definitely has, like I said, has potential for good profits. So together we will colonize Mars, like they here say at the top, and they have these stats of each and every part of their coin here, circulating supply down to burn supply as price per 1 million tokens and market cap. So you can get a massive amount of tokens right now. If you go to the top, you can actually see buy Crater. You can also log in if you would like, but you go to buy Crater, we'll go to Pancake Swap. If we go to I understand, it'll instantly put in your Crater. So if I spent 0.01 right now, we would actually have so many Crater tokens, it's nuts. So you can jump in right now and grab a ton of Crater tokens at a very cheap rate. Obviously, this rate does usually increase over time. Let's go back to the website though and go to their Twitter actually. So we are giving away over $500 in Crater. We will pick 10 winners who get 200 billion tokens each. So if you go down, they actually talk about how this is a new all-time high recently. So, it's actually went from $500 to $1,000 worth of Crater tokens. So the increase has been nuts over the last couple weeks. So we'll continue to monitor that situation. If we go down to the bottom here, we see automated token burn. On deployment, 40% of total supply burned. This will burn Crater on every transaction, which is a very cool, obviously, way of keeping control of the supply. We have passive income as well. Crater has a 4% tax on every transaction that is distributed to all the holders. Automated liquidity. For every trade made on Pancake Swap, 2% is distributed towards the locked liquidity, and then they have that giveaway time. So we are growing rapidly, and it's so nice to see so many new people and friendly holders that share our vision. To give back to the community, they are giving away, like I said, 10 people giving away, I guess, $500 worth of Crater, which probably is, like I said, worth more now, but $500 worth of Crater in tokens. So you can actually enter the giveaway on their channel, on their website at MarsCrater.com. If we go down a little bit more, we do see the roadmap of 2021 on our way to Mars. So they talk more about their token launch, infrastructure, updates provided, audit, and now they are currently on that wallet tracker as they continue down this path. We see merch coming soon as well as Mars Community Colony. So they have a lot planned for Q2 and Q3. Obviously doing very, very well as they're ahead of schedule with Q2 already having some of these done and provided for. So we're continuing to see, like I said, updates provided, MetaMask login and profile, locked initial liquidity, added Crater to MetaMask, profile wallet. Then they obviously have this audit finished from techrate.org, 17th of April. You can actually find it here. So if you want to go and check out their audit, you can see that they were audit and they did have most of it obviously passed, and then some of it obviously doesn't need to be checked. But for the most part, it's looking fairly good for MarsCrater. We're continuing to see tokenomics that makes sense, and really just overall, you can see it's a fairly easy to buy coin. You can actually just, like I said, hit that buy Crater, go into Pancake Swap and buy it right then and there. I will say, guys, if you want to buy MarsCrater coins or Crater, I guess I should say Crater tokens, if you want to buy Crater tokens, go into the description of this video. You are going to have links there to the website, Telegram, Twitter, as well as the exchange way to really, invest in Crater itself. If you go to the guide as well, you can go down to the very bottom. It talks about how you can get started. So stage 1, create a wallet. Stage 2, add Binance Smart Chain. Stage 3, buy BNB. Stage 4, transfer BNB to your wallet. Stage 5, finally, time to buy Crater. And then stage 6 to Mars. Now they're saying, congratulations, welcome, you own Craters. So now all you have to do is hold Craters, and you'll be slightly more Craters every transaction. So it's a very, very way of earning passive income. Obviously, there could be risk involved, as it is coins you're holding that always could go up and down in value. But if you go to the token distribution, it makes a lot of sense. There's a lot of burning going on, as well as transaction fees that really will end up giving you guys, really just dividends, or I should say, really returns on your investment. So Pancake Swap, BSC Scan, and Crater Chart, you can actually visit all of these on their website as well. So there's a lot of information on the website. So like I said, MarsCrater.com, I would definitely check that out, as they do have that step-for-step guide here on how to buy Pancake Swap, or I guess how to use Pancake Swap and buy Crater tokens. So if you go to the actual actual graph, you can actually see that they have had a massive increase recently up to this. I'm not even going to try to say 0.0000003 now actually jumped again. As we continue to see it grow, you are getting in at a very early price point. Do remember, there's probably not too many people invested in it right now. I think there is actually a decent amount of holders for this coin. I was actually checking out the holder number earlier, but it does look like it's a coin worth investing in. It's one that definitely looks like it has potential if it does anything really like SafeMoon. If you guys know what SafeMoon is, or Moonshot, those are all coins we've talked about on this channel before. These are all kind of in the similar atmosphere, and they've all done fairly well. So do remember, if you get in early, you're going to make more, but there is risk involved. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and talking about MarsCrater.com with me. If you guys want to invest, like I said, guys, social media links, the website, everything is located in the description of this video. I really do appreciate it, guys. Remember, this is a sponsored video, and I won't be ever giving price predictions on sponsored videos, because obviously there's something wrong about that with transparency and honesty. And I will always tell you guys transparency, I will always tell you guys there is a sponsored video when there is. Obviously, a lot of YouTubers are saying 100x on sponsored videos that are sponsored, so they should be really telling you guys. But thank you guys so much. I'll always try to be honest and transparent with you guys. Thank you so much. Like I said, I'll see you guys all in the next one.